In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell checker in New Outlook. So I'm starting here with Outlook open on my computer, and from the main screen, I'm going to open a new email. I move my mouse up to the top left corner and click on new email, and right away a new message window opens. This is where I can write a new message, and it also gives me access to the editing tools. Now that the new email window is open, I move my mouse up to the top area and look for the options ribbon. This is the toolbar that shows different formatting and editing tools. From here I'm looking for the editor option. I click on the editor drop down, and once I click it I can see additional options related to spelling and writing settings. From the drop down I select editor settings. As soon as I click that, a settings window opens where I can control how Outlook checks spelling and grammar. Inside this window I look for the spelling option, and I see a toggle switch for spelling. Right now I can see whether it's turned off or on, and to enable spell checking I click the toggle to turn it on. Once the spelling toggle is turned on, Outlook will automatically check for spelling mistakes while I'm typing emails. This helps catch errors in real time so I can correct them before sending the message. After turning it on, I move down and click OK to save the change. As soon as I click OK, the settings window closes and the spell checker is now active. From this point forward, whenever I type an email, Outlook will monitor the spelling and help identify mistakes so I can fix them before sending. And that's it. I opened Outlook, created a new email, went to the options ribbon, clicked the editor drop down, selected editor settings, turned on the spelling toggle, and clicked OK. The spell checker is now enabled and ready to use in New Outlook.